People are often they're confused about what to plant in the fully shaded place. This is the bottommost part of our farm biodiversity garden, and then the water, excess water from the upstream farm flows out into our farm, and then it is channelized along this overflow water when it heavy rains and all happens. So next to that there is about 20 feet of width is there from uh, from there to there, last part, that wall, cement wall. And then on top, jackfruit, teak, and all are growing. So in this full shade, morning also shade, afternoon also shade, evening also shade, space is empty underneath. These are the plants that have worked well for us. So this is actual real experience. This ward phone does well. This one. Then all members of the ginger family like this kind of ambience. That is Costus pictus, then Costus speciosa, this one. This Costus speciosa, Costus pictus, then below the level fern, and even below that some curcuma, turmeric and all. Then one or two climbers have come on their own. This is one of the herbal plant only. And then after that, couple of more of the ginger family members. One is this dancing girl is there. This also loves shade actually. This one. So it's one of the showy thing, and we are the only, our nursery is the only place where you can get these seedlings. So if anyone wants, they can contact us. And this is a nice hardy variety, and the seeds are there. So this one grows well, and it is also perennial. It will live for years and years. I have seen plants that are 20 years old, so permanent. In the summer, the top part will die, and rains it will once again come up. So that is a short globa, actually globa species. It grows about 1.5 feet height only. Whereas these coasters and all, they grow much taller. Both coaster species. Then shampoo ginger also. That one. This also grows very, I mean it needs, if you want a good location, this is the kind of location. This one grows about 5 feet, 6 feet and all. So tall ginger family member. Shorter one, globa. Then even shorter one is this this curcuma, this one. Others also we can add here. For example, arrowroot also is doing very well. This is the ideal location for arrowroot. Though it's not exactly ginger family, it is similar, that one. That is arrowroot. So arrowroot grows about 1 feet. That's also there. It's a clump forming permanent edible thing. And then jackfruit also you can plant underneath. Slowly it will grow in the shade as a long term. So other members of the ginger family can be added here, depending on what is available and all that. And this for a larger item, we have planted this Dracena. Dracena ternifolia. This is one of our Indian Dracena that is shade loving, and it grows in Western Ghats and all, moist places and all. That one. So, and then there still gaps are there that fern can spread. All these will spread over a period of years. This arrowroot, ginger, Amorphophallus also is there. That one. That also likes shade. That one. So from ground level, if you see, like that. So these are just some of the plants that can be grown in shade. Others are there, which I'll cover slowly. This is that Nella Basle. And many small ground items also are there that I'll cover in another video. Already this one is too long.